Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2012 MN Triton 2.5 diesel 4D56 4-wheel drive ute, 138,288 Ks, got a ticking over there. Standard cloth trim, the airbags have gone off, it's fairly tidy inside. Got a set of doors on it. Tray's got a few marks here and there, bit of a toolbox in the back, got the ladder rack there, and a tow bar. Little marks on the driver's side door I can see there. Here's our compliance plate. February 12. Fairly standard fare, hasn't been butchered. It is called Triton used for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need any Triton parts or any other parts that matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus team will help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.